Understand Azure subscription, Azure Tenant, and related terms, as well as the hierarchy. Azure subscription. An Azure subscription is a logical container that holds the resources and services you use in Azure. It provides access to Azure services and allows you to manage and monitor them. When you sign up for Azure, you create a subscription, and you can have multiple subscriptions under a single Azure account. Azure Tenant. An Azure Tenant is a dedicated and isolated instance of Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, that is automatically created when you sign up for Azure. It represents an organization or a single person who owns and manages the Azure resources. It acts as a security and administrative boundary for Azure resources. To create an Azure subscription, you need the following prerequisites. 1. Microsoft account. You need a Microsoft account to sign up for Azure. This can be an existing email address or a new one that you create specifically for Azure. 2. Credit card or payment method. Azure requires a valid credit card or payment method to verify your identity and set up billing. Some regions also offer alternative payment methods like bank accounts or invoices. 3. Phone number. You need a phone number to verify your identity during the sign-up process. This can be a mobile or landline number. 4. Legal age. You must be at least 18 years old or the legal age in your country to create an Azure subscription. 5. Compliance with Azure Terms of Service. You must agree to the Azure Terms of Service and any other applicable terms and conditions. It's important to note that some organizations may have additional requirements or restrictions for creating Azure subscriptions. For example, if you are signing up on behalf of a company, you may need to provide additional business information. Once you have these prerequisites in place, you can sign up for Azure and create your subscription. During the sign-up process, you will be prompted to provide the necessary information and complete the verification steps. Hierarchy in Azure subscription management. Azure follows a hierarchical structure for managing resources within a subscription. The hierarchy consists of the following levels. 1. Management group. A management group is a container that helps you manage access, policies, and compliance across multiple subscriptions. It provides a way to apply consistent governance controls and policies to multiple subscriptions. 2. Subscription. A subscription is a logical container for Azure resources. It represents an agreement with Microsoft to use Azure services and is associated with a billing account. Subscriptions are used to manage access, billing, and resource organization. 3. Resource group. A resource group is a logical container that holds related resources for an application or solution. It helps you manage and organize resources based on their life cycle, ownership, or other criteria. Resources within a resource group share the same life cycle, permissions, and policies. 4. Resource. A resource is a manageable item within Azure, such as a virtual machine, storage account, or database. Resources are created and managed within a resource group and can be provisioned, configured, and deleted independently. By understanding this hierarchy, you can effectively organize and manage your Azure resources based on your requirements and organizational structure. Each Azure account contains at least one subscription, and each subscription is associated with one Azure tenant. When you sign up for Azure, you create an Azure account. Within that account, you can have multiple subscriptions. Each subscription represents an agreement with Microsoft to use Azure services and has its own billing and resource management. An Azure tenant, which is an instance of Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is automatically created when you sign up for Azure. This tenant is associated with your Azure account and is used for managing access, authentication, and authorization to Azure resources. Each subscription is then linked to a single Azure tenant. So, to summarize, An Azure account can have multiple subscriptions. Each subscription is associated with one Azure tenant, Azure AD instance. I hope this helps you understand Azure subscription, Azure tenant, and the hierarchy in which a subscription is managed. Thanks for watching.